Is the universe expanding into a vacuum? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving deep into the topic that has been a subject of much debate and discussion. Is the universe expanding into a vacuum? The universe is a vast expanse that has been expanding ever since its creation. But the question remains, what is it expanding into? Is it expanding into a void or a vacuum? To find the answer to this question, we need to understand the concept of space and the universe's expansion. So, let's start with some basics. Space is not just an empty void. It is a dynamic entity, and it can stretch and bend like a rubber band. The universe is also not a static entity. It is always in motion, and its expansion is usually compared to the way raisins are scattered apart from each other in a baking cake. Now, coming back to the main question, is the universe expanding into a vacuum? It is a common misconception that the universe is expanding into a vacuum. However, this notion is not entirely accurate. According to the most widely accepted theory, the universe is expanding, but it is not expanding into anything. When we talk about the universe's expansion, we mean that the space between galaxies is increasing. This expansion is not happening within another space or void. The universe itself is expanding, and this expansion is not isolated to just one area. Every point in the universe is expanding, and while this may seem confusing, it's essential to remember that the universe, by definition, is everything that exists. So, if the universe is not expanding into anything, why do some theories suggest that there must be something that the universe is expanding into? The answer lies in the concept of dark energy, which is responsible for the universe's accelerating expansion. This idea is sourced from Einstein's general theory of relativity, which holds that gravity is the result of mass and energy curving spacetime. According to this theory, the universe is a finite size, and it is curved in on itself. This curvature means that the universe has a particular shape, like a sphere. If the universe has this shape, it must have a boundary, and beyond that boundary, there must be something. This is where the idea of a vacuum comes into play. However, recent research has shown that the universe is likely not spherical, but rather flat. This means that it has no curvature, and there is no boundary that separates the universe from something else. It also means that the universe could be infinite, and there is no end to it. So, we have established that the universe is not expanding into a vacuum or any other space. It is expanding, but the expansion is happening within the universe itself. But why is it expanding, and what is contributing to this expansion? As mentioned earlier, dark energy is responsible for the universe's accelerating expansion. Dark energy is a form of energy that fills the entire universe but cannot be seen or detected directly. Its existence is based on its effect on the universe's expansion, which is observed through astronomical data. Another possible contributing factor to the universe's expansion is the amount of matter and energy present in the universe. According to the theory of general relativity, the more mass and energy present in the universe, the more the universe stretches and expands. But this theory is now under question since recent studies have shown that the matter in the universe only accounts for a fraction of the observed expansion. In conclusion, the universe's expansion is a complex process that is yet to be fully understood. However, it is clear that the universe is not expanding into a vacuum or any other space. It is expanding, but the expansion is happening within the universe itself. The concept of a vacuum or another space where the universe is expanding into is mere speculation based on previous theories, which have now been debunked. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Please leave your thoughts and comments below on what topics you would like us to cover on our channel. Thanks for watching.